Pageantry na.
Yes, I think I have exhausted my years. I have invested everything that I could in beauty pageants when I joined back in 2018 and 2020, and I've achieved already what I wanted back then. And I've learned a lot also throughout, and I am a spectator now who just really enjoys watching.
Question to our dear executives. Usually what kind of homework do you do when you judge pageants like this? What kind of homework do you do in order to be prepared to judge?
This isn't my first time judging a pageant. I did judge last year a beauty pageant also. It's a province of Logan. It's in Bulacan. So prior to that, what I did is really I looked for the confidence and also like what Joel said about the fire, the grit. Because if ever it's women who represent the country, right? So usually that's what we look for, not just the face, but it's how they talk, it's how they speak. Though, because just like what everybody say, you know, we should come from the heart. Because really, if it really comes from the heart, it's going to come out actually.
Well, I'm not a judge this year, but from last year, and I guess now, I'm looking at the lens of the girls as kung ano yung branding nila. So, of course, they all have kung ano yung pininola and charities that they really want to help. So, aside from that, also, I like to see how they prepare. That's why kung punta sa backstage, hindi na who's really talaga nakafocus, not gusto talaga lahat ginagawa. So, kasi I think kapag nasa harapan ka ng camera, it's easy to just really smile and pakita mo yung feeling mo gusto ng tao. But when you're nasa likod, sa backstage, you see how they treat the production people. You see if they're the ones who's really doing their works. Yun yung gusto mong nakikita with the winners. So, yun, mingling with them, checking kung ano talaga yung platforms, yung pinaniniwalaan.
So nag-observe ka din talaga sa likod. Okay.
Kasi how they treat people also reflects a lot.
Guys, last 3 questions.
Okay.
Question. Happy. Siyempre, beauty pageant is still a performance. As an actress and theater artist yourself, anong hinahanap mo sa isang kandidata to win the MUPHQC crown?
Thank you for the question. Wow! Diba? Sabi ko, ito yung first one ako today. Beauty queen. No, but tama mo kayo, ang mundo ko talaga ang teatro. And I see pageantry as something that is similar because of the preparation, the dedication, the ginagawa ng ating mga beauty queens. Grabe din talaga ang preparation. Similar to the training that we get also in the theater world. So what I'm looking for is takang. I'm also looking for something that really makes us stand out. It's very similar din sa, diba, presence pa lang, I think. It really matters. Same as with theater, if you can hold the stage upon entering, if there's something that really grabs our attention about you, with even just for presence. That is something that I'm looking for today. And also, magbe-build pa yun, syempre, with the way they carry themselves, with their gown, and everything else, every segment na mangyayari, and especially sa question and answer portion. Yes, we're looking for that, really. So it builds and builds and builds until they really get our hearts, until undoubtedly, it's very clear who's going to represent in Quezon City. And soon, diba, the Philippines for the universe. Yes.
Thanks, Kathy.
Yes.
You just ventured into actors. May I just ask how different is it, like being on the real pageant title to being from being an actor? What's the experience?
So many people don't know this about me, but when I was about 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, I was an actor in Thailand. Before I did pageantry, I was on some television, some soap operas. The main difference is, to be honest, is how much stress. In pageantry, it's just you go and leave, right? You prepare yourself for a short amount of time and you just go on stage and do your best. Or if you're really serious about it, like I was for Management International, I spent 8 months training my body, my goal, my purpose, whatever I wanted out of that pageant. But with acting, it's a lot of homework, a lot of preparation, a lot of lobbying. It's a real team effort. You know, the light crew, the camera crew, everyone's putting in a lot of work, and it's really important that you respect what everyone is doing, and you go out there with it doesn't matter how tired you are, it doesn't matter how you feel, you know, you go and do your job, you have a good time out doing it, and I think that's really important.
Sorry, just one follow-up. You mentioned that you were very active in Thailand before. How different is it, like, going in this time?
To be honest, I prefer the Philippines, I'm biased. I prefer the Philippines. The attention to detail is much higher, and the way they treat you more as a person rather than an actor. While in Thailand, you're just treated as a thing, like an object. That's how I can put it. And I'm not talking about the industry negatively. I'm just talking about my experience.
Thank you.
Last question, sir.
For Ms. Jason. Yes, since you mentioned earlier that this is your second time being a judge, for you, what is it about pageantry that makes it a beautiful experience for all genders?
Okay. Actually, I'm not really that big of a fan of beauty pageant, but I appreciate it started when I did it last year. You know, with all the efforts, everybody, the contestants, everyone was aspiring to be like this universe. And then I realized it's about empowering women, just like what I do. You know, it's about, you would always hear me speak about confidence because that really matters. Sometimes it doesn't matter, you don't have to be too beautiful, but it's how you speak, it's how you act, it's how you project yourself. That's very, very important. And not everyone has that, you know? You have to find somebody, a star quality, that could represent the Philippines, our country. Sure, but it's also representing each one of us. So it's something that's not easy, but it's something that you can feel whether the candidate has this power energy.
Alright, thank you guys. I think we're done. Thank you so much.
Has anyone told you that? Has anyone told you that?
Yeah, last few shots, guys, like photos or
Pwede mo tayo na yan.
Tayo lang,
Stand up. Yeah.